Conflicted because so many of my fellow actors that are deserving don't have that same privilege. I think that we send a very clear message to people of color that you're not welcome here. I think that's the message that we're sending to people that have contributed so much to our medium and our industry and in ways that we benefit from. I think that it is the obligation of the people that have created and perpetuate and benefit from a system of oppression to be the ones that dismantle it. So that's on us.
Our lives through film. Yet in 2020, and not for the first time in the last few years, we find ourselves talking again about the need to do more to ensure diversity in the sector and in the awards process. That simply cannot be right in this day and age. Bafta take this issue seriously, and following this year's nominations, have launched a full and thorough review of the entire awards process to build on their existing work and ensure that opportunities are available to everyone.
People like me come from, so it's really special to be a part of that, for sure. The way I see it is, I feel like a lot of people haven't realised there's a lot of opportunities. So that's what I want to show, like especially with something like this, is to show them there's a lot more opportunities for people like me. It's not like before. Once people see that there's a lot more opportunities out there, they'll get into stuff like this, and yeah, hopefully they'll get nominated and stuff like that, man. But I feel like we're taking a step in the right direction, for sure.